Becoming a fitness coach can mean a lot of things, but for most people, it will primarily mean making a career out of something they truly love: fitness. In regards to your clients, the most important role of a fitness coach is to help them reach their health goals, be it to build muscle, lose fat, or to simply live a healthier life. Fulfilling this role also comes with a few responsibilities. First, you need to be able to teach and help people exercise properly. This includes knowing about the most common types of exercise, which muscles they target, and how they should be included in a well-rounded workout program. Of course, you also want to be a mental coach, so you not only want to teach people, but you also want to motivate them. Fitness should be your passion, and the more you share your passion with others, the more impact you can have on their lives. Showing them how to exercise correctly is just a part of that. As you probably know, fitness is a lifestyle, so you want to help your clients adopt this lifestyle and show them that exercise and being healthy can be fun and doesn't have to be boring. The best way of doing this is by designing individual fitness programs for each of your clients. That way you can tailor the exercise and training sessions to their specific goals and make sure that they aren't doing something they don't like. For example, many people hate jogging but still want to do cardio. No problem. Sit down with them and try to figure out which type of exercise they might like more. Maybe it's cycling, or maybe it's swimming. As you will see, the most important step is adjusting their fitness routine to their lifestyle and not the other way around. Once you two have come up with a program, you also want to help your client through their workouts and provide them with all the vital information to see long-term results. This means tracking their progress and making adjustments along the way. Please understand that a good fitness coach has the potential to change lives. If you use your knowledge and expertise correctly, you will not only earn a living doing what you love, but also help others achieve their personal goals. This can really be a dream job.